So now we'll keep dropping along here through the Nephin. The weather is gorgeous now. Hopefully it'll stay like that for the rest of the way. I'm under severe time pressure now. I rang the hotel and told them to move my dinner from 8 till 9, and she said she couldn't, so the earliest she says, or the latest she can put me, is 8:30 apparently. And according to Mr. Satnav here, it's going to be 7:45 before I get back. But that's not allowing for, I wanted to get some more drone footage over the Tawnyard and the Sheeffry there. So that gives me 45 minutes to get in, shower and change, and then pack all my gear for tomorrow, because I don't want to do that tonight. I mean, I suppose I could put that off till later, just before I go to bed, but it's just easier to do it now. But look, sure, we'll push on. We've the back of it broken now. We've just to finish off going through here, through Furnace, down to Newport, back down to Westport, cut out onto the Sheeffry Pass, have a quick look over the Tawnyard, get the drone up, cut down the rest of the pass, down onto Doolough, boom, we're done. We will be done then. Right, so we're about to come out of here, out of the Nephin and Furnace road. That'll drop me back into Newport, and then I'm just going to barrel my way back along the coast there, and so I'll save some battery for some of the stuff along the way. And we're back into Newport here. Back into Westport here. Right, so got past Westport and Newport, burned down through there. Just a quick stop there to change out the battery on the GoPro. And I've taken the turn off now. That will drop me down to the Sheeffry Pass. And if I can generate enough time, I'll try and throw the Mavic up over the Tawnyard. So you can see the pass running up along the side there of the mountain. It's not a huge pass, to be honest, but it's beautiful. See the wall of it there, cut into the side of the mountain. And then this will drop us down onto the Tawnyard, the Sheeffry Pass, and then onto Doolough. And here we go. It's like a miniature Connor Pass. You know what, if I have time tomorrow I might come back up here and get this on the drone. See if I can stop and look back over the view. Stop here, there's nothing behind me. Look at that. Savage. What a beautiful little pass. And now we're pretty much at the top here. Look at the view from this side. Stunning. So here you see now the Tawnyard. We're entering into the Tawnyard. There's a pull-in point. It's just a little bit ahead. We'll stroll in there and see if I can get the drone out over it. But this is like something out of Jurassic Park. Oh, flip it, I've just passed it. Flip, flip, flip. I just passed it. Your woman in sitting in the car. That's annoying. That is annoying. I'll have to come back up in the morning. I'll come back up in the morning. The weather better be good. Because I don't have time to get down here, turn around and come back up again. Oh, that's annoying. I thought it was a bit further down and she parked there, distracted me. And I overshot. Flippity dippity dip. Anyway, I'll try and get back up in the morning, get it then. A stunning waterfall up there, though. Absolutely stunning. looks like there's a lake up above it as well. This place is just sublime. It's sublime. This is why you'd always have to have an adventure bike in your shed. No, sports bikes are great and everything, but these things are king for this stuff. And here is the beautiful Doolough. We've come full circle today. This is pretty much where we started from. Quite possibly one of the most beautiful and stunning places of the whole country. It's just stunning. I'd give it the edge over Gap of Doolough. I think this is far superior to the Gap of Doolough, and that's flipping gorgeous. So good night, Doolough. We'll see you in the morning. What a place. Right, so folks, I might as well do the wrap up here. You've already seen the room. So yeah, thanks very much for riding with me today. I think, well, certainly I had a fantastic day. I hope you got to see some stuff that you've never seen before. Whether you've been in Ireland or not here before, put them on your route. Achill Island is just stunning. And that mountain road we did up to that aerial antenna just blew my mind, absolutely blew my mind. The amount of coastal roads we did, the amount of mountains, lakes and rivers and everything we saw today is just stunning, 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 stunning. And then to finish off back here through the Sheeffry Pass down onto Doolough, I just couldn't have asked for a better day. I really couldn't have asked for a better day. Hopefully the weather will be like this tomorrow. I'll go and get some drone footage up there of the Sheeffry and the Tawnyard that I missed because I wasn't paying attention. And we've lots more to go. Tomorrow we're going up into Donegal. We've a lot to get done tomorrow. Won't be as big a day, so we'll have a bit more time to spend on things. So let's get in here. Oh, we could have gone that way, couldn't I? I could have. But yeah, lots more to come. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.